channel, The Vegan Homeschooler, and welcome to my cafeteria. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan lasagna. This is only one of my recipes, so this is just to give you some idea of how you can make your lasagna vegan. First, we're going to need some avocado oil, some garlic, granulated garlic, granulated onion, some crushed red pepper. That's only if you like a little bit of heat. Some TVP. This is some pink salt and pepper and black pepper. This is no chicken base. Better than bouillon, no chicken base. You want to make sure it says no chicken. They didn't have the beef base, so I'm going to go with no chicken. I have some half of a huge, not huge, but it's a big bell pepper. It was a big bell pepper, so I cut half of that. I cut one small onion, and I just grabbed a handful of garlic cloves out of a bag, and I just minced it. And you're gonna need lasagna noodles. So the first thing you want to do is saute your vegetables. So I'm going to start with putting the avocado oil in the pot. Here I have some water and it's already boiling. Okay. So now you're going to need this whole thing. If they are, broken up, that's fine. Just, work with what you got as best you can, because for the size that I'm going to be fixing, this is actually for tomorrow. Got a very busy day. Dentist appointments, all of that stuff, it happens. Especially when you have children. So now I'm going to put my vegetables in. Saute that. I actually forgot to bring out the pasta sauce, so you're going to need some pasta sauce. So I'm going to saute this up and get my noodles all cooked, and I'm gonna soak my TVP in some water, but I'm gonna add the bouillon. I'm gonna add the better than bouillon in it, so you want to have your water hot, and you want to do equal parts TVP and equal parts water. So I'm going to start out with a cup of TVP and a cup of water. And you want to follow the instructions on here if there are any, or just do it to your taste. So yeah, 1 teaspoon of this to 1 cup of water. So you want to go with 1 teaspoon, unless you want a little bolder flavor, but this stuff is kind of salty, so I'm going to do that, and then we'll come out. I'll be back. I have the better than bouillon mixed in with the water. I actually did 1.5 cups of TVP. I did 1.5 cups, and then you want to do 2 teaspoons of the better than bouillon, no chicken. This is just to, you want to hydrate your TVP. And when you hydrate it, you just want it to be, some flavor. You want it to have some flavor. And I'm choosing the chicken flavor. It smells good.
It does.
Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. So now I'm gonna put in my seasonings. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of onion powder. Well, granulated onion. A little bit of granulated garlic. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, oil. Gotta buy some more of that now. And I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper flakes in it. I just want enough just to give it a little kick. So I'm going about a teaspoon of that. That's optional. You don't have to do that. Okay. I'm gonna stir that up. Let all them seasonings toast a little bit. And then I'm gonna pour the pasta sauce in there. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of the salt and pepper mix. And my pasta over here boiling. So I'm gonna get that cooled off. Drained and cooled. Okay, so now I'm gonna add, I have the ragu traditional sauce. You don't necessarily have to have that. I actually prefer to, to make my own pasta sauce. But y'all, this is a rush job. Sometimes when you prefer to make things homemade, sometimes having a couple of shortcuts, is necessary. So I'm gonna put this, stir this up. And I'm gonna actually take a bit of this boiling pasta water and put it in here and just hold it down. Ooh, jacked up down. Man, sometimes the cans, the jars, they be shriveling all over. So I'm gonna let that simmer. And now I want y'all to take a look at this TVP. It's hydrated and it's fluffy. So now I'm gonna add this to my pasta sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this on like medium low heat, and I'm gonna let this simmer while my pasta is boiling. And I'm gonna go ahead and, after the pasta is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it with some cold water to stop the cooking process. And let it soak a little bit till they cool off, and then we're going to put the lasagna together. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have everything already fixed. I have the pasta sauce with the TVP and the lasagna noodles. I did not cook the lasagna noodles completely all the way through. It still got a little bit of firmness to it, because you're going to end up baking this. I'm just not going to bake it tonight. This is probably like after 12. But like I said, I got a big day tomorrow. Well, in a few hours. Anyway, you want to start with just a little bit of the sauce to coat the bottom of the pan. You don't want it to be like a whole lot. And if you don't want this much TVP, then you can go ahead, instead of doing a cup and a half like I did, you can do 1 cup to 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon, whichever one you prefer. So now I'm going to take these and I'm going to line 3 pasta noodles on the pan. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the layers. I'm going to show y'all a couple of layers, and then I'm going to finish it up off camera. You don't necessarily need a whole lot of the sauce on it. Everybody does theirs different. And I have the Daya cheese shreds. This is a half a pack right here from I made a pizza. You don't want to put a whole lot of this up here, because when I'm telling you, I'm going to put a picture up there. You should see a picture of one of the lasagnas I made, and that right there is mostly Daya. So you don't want to put too much on there. So this will actually be fine, because when it melts, it's going to really spread. So I'm going to do another layer. Now at this point, you can have your vegan ricotta mix. If you don't like a whole lot of sauce all through on each layer, if you don't like sauce on each layer, you can actually mix up a nice little vegan ricotta sauce and put it on this layer, and then proceed to do the sauce on the layer after that. So here's another layer. More of the cheese. I'm going to show you guys one more. Whoop. Well, now, this one's in a rush to go in the pan. Okay, slow down, baby. Oh, this one be all half-assed. Look at that thing. Put it on the pizza. Ain't fooling nobody. There you go. Right there. Okay. Sauce. And then on this one, a little cheese. Okay, so I showed you guys a few layers. I'm actually gonna go ahead and finish up these layers, and I will show y'all what the finished product looks like. And I'm gonna put it in, cover it up and put it in the refrigerator. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all. This is the last layer. You see that? And I'm actually going to put the rest of this pack on here. See, it only actually took me a pack and a half. Well, for now, I might put some more on top of it. Yeah, I'm gonna open up this other pack. At least have my layer covered up some. But for the most part, you don't really need a whole lot of this cheese. Oh, it's something I forgot in this too. This is only if you choose. Add some Italian herbs if you choose. I usually add some Italian herbs. And I asked for them and then I didn't even remember to put them in here. I'm tired, y'all. It's late. Okay, so here's the finished product. I'm gonna cover this up. I'm not gonna put this in the oven until tomorrow because this is actually for tomorrow's supper, and I'm gonna actually show you. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like in the meantime. I'm gonna cover this up and put it in my refrigerator. Okay, y'all, so here's the finished product. The cheese, as you can see, is not fully melted in the middle, but don't expect that, especially when you're making a lasagna like this. But the best part about this is that your flavors had a chance to marinate overnight, and also you can even make this stuff and freeze it. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this recipe if you decide to try it. If you do, follow me at The Vegan Homeschooler and make sure you post a picture and tag me in it. You guys, thank you so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Peace. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.